Well, Carl and Christy Clinic are partnering up for a free event set for next month. And the goal? Helping people with Medicare work through any questions they might have about the upcoming Medicare Advantage annual enrollment period.
It's a very short topic.
Yes.
It's happening in your community. We've got Dr. Jenny Shulumeta from Carl Adult Medicine and Tara Mullins from Health Alliance joining us today to talk all about this event, combining the medical giants here in our area. So let's start with you, Jenny. Talk about the event specifically and what's happening.
Yes, we're really excited. We'd love to have folks in the community come out to learn more about what the Health Alliance Medicare Advantage plan can do for them and how physicians like myself who are in primary care taking care of them can work with them and for them to improve their health and help them with their health goals. This is happening on Saturday, October 5th from 9 to 12 noon at Carl the Fields. So right off the 57 overpass.
And so this is a great opportunity to learn for yourself or maybe for a family member who's approaching that stage, I guess. Also, they'll be doing some free screenings. What kind of screenings?
Yes, so glad you asked because there will be some great screenings where they can get their blood pressure checked, their blood sugar checked. There will be a lot of other community resources out there for them to learn about. So it's really going to be a wonderful event.
As an aside, I got stuck in one of those blood pressure machines in the mall.
Oh, gosh.
I hit the button and then it wouldn't let me go.
What'd you do?
I don't know, but I don't even know what my blood pressure was. That's the thing.
You could come and see us.
Yes, I should do that. Tara, let's talk more specifically about what people will learn. I'm assuming there will be no getting trapped in a blood pressure machine.
No.
What are we going to be working on?
Yeah, from a Health Alliance perspective, we're really excited to participate in this event. We were excited to learn about it again this year. Last year's event was wonderful. So from a Health Alliance perspective, we're going to have people that can talk about what new plans come out. October 1st is the curtains lifted for what new Medicare Advantage plans come out and for the 2020 plan year. And so from October 15th through December 7th, a person can enroll into a Medicare Advantage plan. So we will have people with resources and information about what that means to be on one of those plans.
And why is it important for people to assess their coverage every year?
Yeah, every year you want to take a look. Your healthcare needs might change. So you want to take a look at the plan that you're on and see what may be a better fit for you based on the healthcare things that may have happened to you over the past year. Maybe the plan is still just fine and you can stay in it, but you want to look at your doctors in the network, your prescription coverages and things like that. And a Medicare Advantage plan can put, very similar to what people are used to from an employer group coverage or a family individual plan where your hospital, your outpatient, and your prescription's all in one. A Medicare Advantage plan is structured very similar to that, where it's all in one with your prescriptions and some extras, like maybe fitness or dental or things like
travel.
Plans can change year by year too, right? So your needs might change, but the plan you're on might shift to an extent as well. Are there any super popular or common questions that you get asked a lot? Like everybody seems to be looking for information on this one thing.
Everybody likes to know what their premium amount would be.
How much it's going to cost.
Is there a deductible? Is there anything that they have to pay first, which on Medicare Advantage plans with us, we don't have a deductible. They also want to know what's the most that they might spend in a plan year. So those are important things to go over.
Okay, there's also going to be a presentation, primary care doctors working with and for you. So this will be a great opportunity to learn some more information.
Yes, I'm really excited about doing that presentation and just sharing with folks about how primary care physicians can work with the health team, the care coordinators, the health coaches to really look and build that trust and listen to their needs and really work with them on their health goals.
All right, it's October 5th.
Obviously a great event, and if you have questions, we'll point you their direction on our website. CILiving.tv is where you can go, and then October 5th is the date for the actual event.
Yeah, it's out there at the Carl at the Field. That beautiful facilities out there.